Is this the AI model you need? Artificial intelligence continues to evolve rapidly. And in 2026, we have more AI models than ever claiming to be the fastest, the smartest, or the most capable. One of the newer names on the scene is Function Gemma, an AI model that's gaining attention for its promises of versatile performance across writing, reasoning, coding, and even research tasks. But the key question is Function Gemma actually the AI model you need this year, or is it just another contender in an already crowded field? Today, we're going to break it down. At first glance, Function Gemma's pitch sounds impressive. The model is promoted as a next-generation AI that can handle not just text completion but deeper reasoning, multi-step problem-solving, and advanced contextual understanding. Whether you're drafting long-form writing, debugging code, or extracting insights from complex information, the claim is that Gemma can deliver more accurate and nuanced results than many other models out there. One of the major talking points about Function Gemma is its reasoning capability. In benchmarks and user tests, the model often performs well on logical tasks that trip up more generalist models. For example, given multi-step reasoning prompts, Gemma tends to keep context longer and produce answers that stay internally consistent. For people who use AI for research or technical writing, this can feel like a real advantage. Another benefit that users mention is clarity of expression. Some AI models excel in basic responses but struggle to maintain flow or structure in longer outputs. Function Gemma is designed to generate content that feels more coherent and better organized, especially when asked to produce longer paragraphs or structured sections. This matters if you're using AI as a writing assistant rather than just a quick answer machine. However, there are limitations, and it's important to address them honestly. First, the model's breadth can sometimes come at the cost of specificity. That means while Gemma generates impressive surface-level responses, it can sometimes miss nuance in highly specialized domains, like advanced scientific reasoning or very domain-specific technical problems. In those cases, expert-tuned models or specialized AI tools might still outperform it. Another concern is availability and access. In 2026, Function Gemma isn't universally available in all AI platforms yet. That means if you switch between platforms often or rely on a specific ecosystem, you may not be able to use Gemma seamlessly everywhere you want. This can be a practical limitation for everyday workflows. There's also the matter of resource efficiency. Cutting-edge models often require more computational power, which can translate into slower response times or higher costs in the platforms where they are hosted. If you're using AI intensively throughout the day, these factors matter. Cost and performance are always part of the equation, especially for creators, developers, or businesses that use AI at scale. So how does Gemma compare to more established models? If we put it side by side with the most commonly used general AI models, the difference often comes down to specific tasks. For creative writing, summarization, and general information synthesis, Gemma's outputs are smooth and compelling, arguably better than many alternatives. For strictly technical or research-heavy tasks, the advantage is more mixed. Sometimes Gemma is excellent, sometimes it's on par with others, and occasionally it's slightly less precise. Another real-world factor is ecosystem support. Many AI models today are integrated into broader toolchains, plugins, or productivity stacks. If Gemma's integration options are limited compared to the dominant models, that affects how easily you can adopt it into your daily work. Ease of use and integration often matter just as much as raw capability. So is Function Gemma the AI model you need in 2026? The honest answer is this: it's one of the stronger choices, but not a one-size-fits-all solution. If you prioritize better reasoning, clearer structured outputs, and improved coherence in longer tasks, Gemma is absolutely worth exploring. But if you need extreme specialization or the broadest ecosystem support with the most integrations, you may find other models more convenient. In 2026's AI world, the best model depends on how you work, what problems you're trying to solve, and which tools fit into your workflow. Gemma is a compelling player in the space, and for many users, it could be the model that finally ticks the right combination of performance and coherence. But it's not automatically the winner for every use case. If this review helped you understand whether Function Gemma is right for your AI needs in 2026, Hit the like button and subscribe for more honest AI model comparisons and reviews. And drop a comment letting us know, what tasks do you need AI for most? Writing, coding, research, or something else? Stay curious, stay critical, and I'll see you in the next one.